One day, Aisha radiallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, I noticed that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in a good mood. He was cheerful. So she said to herself, let me take advantage of the situation. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is happy. So she said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, please make dua for me. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allahumma aghfir li Aisha ma taqaddama min dhanbiha wa ma ta'akhkhar, ma asrat wa ma a'lant. Oh Allah, forgive for Aisha all of her past sins and all of her future sins, the ones she did in private, in secret, and the ones she did in public, in front of someone. Now what do you think Aisha radiallahu anha's reaction was? She was overcome with joy. And she said, I started laughing. And have you heard of the expression that when you laugh, you kind of fall? She said, I laughed so much, I fell into the lap of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And so the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he was puzzled. Aisha, does this dua make you happy? And she said, yes, Ya Rasulullah. Why wouldn't this dua make me so happy? And he said, by Allah, he swore, I make this supplication, this dua, for every one of the members of my ummah in every prayer. Think about that for a second. Do you even make